everyone, I'm Shreya from Online Help Guide, and in this video I'll show you how to get follow button on Facebook profile. First, go to the Facebook app, then go to the menu button at the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy button, then select the first option, that is Settings. Scroll down and find Audience and Visibility. Then select How people find you and contact you. Then select the first option, which is Who can send you friend requests. Then select Friends of Friends and save the option. Then go a step back and select Posts. Then select Who can see your future posts. Choose Public option and then save the changes. Then go 2 steps back and select Followers and Public Content. Then select the first option, which is Who can follow me. Then select the Public option and then save the changes. Go back to the menu and then see your profile. Select the 3 dots at the corner, then select View As, and that's how you can get follow button on Facebook profile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos.